how to select language you don't want to be offered translation on Facebook. And okay guys, here on your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. Here in Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen, tap menu. Here in menu, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen, tap the gear icon. Here in settings and privacy and preference section, you can see here the language and region. Okay, you can go to this. In language and region, you can see the language you don't want to be offered translation. And you can click this. And now you won't see an option to translate post in this language. So I have to selected. So for my example, I add the Arabic language and I remove the English language. And okay, that's it. We have successfully select the language. And after that, tap the save button to save the language. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully select language you don't want to be offered translation on Facebook. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.